Hi and good morning. Today I want to present about problem-based test 1 for subject mobile application development. So our group members consist of me, Arisara, Muhammad Ifan Haika and Muhammad Akil. Introduction. In this problem-based test 1, it focuses on finding fact-finding for teaching and learning a mobile app. So it's aimed to uncover key features, functionalities and potential impacts of the app on education practice. By installing and running the Chooses app on mobile devices, we assess its user-friendliness, responsiveness, and overall efficiency in supporting learning objectives. Through critical evaluation, we gain also insight into the strength and limitation of contemporary education app design. Other than that, we are creating a user interface prototype for teaching and learning mobile apps by using Android Studio.
Okay, now we're talking about how to install the chosen app. First, you need to go to the Play Store. After you go to the Play Store, you need to search for the chosen app. Like for us, we search for the Duolingo. After search the chosen app, it will show the app to install. So click the install to install the app, and then you need to wait for the installing for the app to install. After finish installing, click on open to open the app. Home page, and this is the home page of Duolingo language lesson. Please start to start the lesson, and after that click continue to start the lesson. User can choose any language based on their prefer to learn it. And then step 10, it will play the pronunciation and user can follow it to read in the correct accent like this. Of course not. I wasn't born. You need to click on the ketuk untuk bicara and then speak the phrases. Okay, so now how I will be demonstrate how to use the Duolingo. First, open the Duolingo. Okay. Okay, after you open the Duolingo, look. The first time you open the Duolingo, you will see the new daily quest. In this daily quest, you can do the quest, and then you can get reward for the quest. Like here, you need to complete 2 lesson, and then you can get this treasure chest. Okay, so first, how to use the Duolingo. First, you need to start the button, hit start, and then go start. Okay, after that, you will see that they will show what is the language. Like right now, I want to study Japanese, so it will show the Japanese language. So I need to think what sushi to gohan mean. So that I sushi and rice. So if it's correct, it will say great job, and then we can continue to the other lesson. Okay, look. Yeah, and this one, you see, yeah, the lady asking the green tea please. So I need to know what is the Japanese meaning, English meaning in Japanese. So like green tea please. So if let's say if I hit it wrong, sushi kudasai. So check. It will show the correct answer, and it will tell you that you are incorrect. So after we can also go to the next question. This if you make a mistake, it will cost 1 heart. So we need to go focus. Okay, after this is the same as the early one, Ocha, and it will asking about the Japanese language, and then we will translate it to the English language. Like ni Osato-mizu, like green and water. So check. No, green tea, not green. Green ada. So yeah, if you can got it. Like okay, this one we need to matching the syllable like ada like now water is Mizu, so you hit me and Zu, and then you can continue. Got it. And you will continue to another. You will go. It will looping until you get answer all the question. Okay. You also can end session or done. Yeah. Okay. Like now I want to end session, and I go quit. Look apa ni? Duolingo has a streak, so if you miss a day, the streak need to reset to 0. Okay. At the top, you see that there is section 1 and then section 2 and many section after that. But if you want to go to section, you need to complete, or you can just jump to the another section. Okay, in this part, you will show how many like characters means, so like it's like word like A B C D E, but in Japanese. Okay, that's all. Okay, this one the leaderboard.
Description of user-friendliness, responsiveness, and impact of installed app. A. User-friendliness. Duolingo is user-friendly because when you first start it will ask you whether you are a first-time user or not. Other than that, if you will first-time use it, Duolingo will ask you what language you want to learn and how fluent you are in with the language. It will ask you to some basic questions and will direct you to the main menu, and in the main menu there will be a button that will show whether you want to continue or not. In addition, at bottom of the screen, you can see many sections. Like the first section is where you are at now, at the main course. The second section there is scoreboard from other users. The third section is your profile. The fourth section is quiz. And the last section is like a feed where Duolingo will show what users have missed. Lastly, for every section, it will show an icon to help the user to recognize it easily. Next, B. Smoothness of running the app. For the smoothness of the running app, Duolingo is very smooth to run the app because the size of storage is only 120 MB. Other than that, when user open the app, it's not take much time. It's only 2 to 3 seconds. In addition, the app is not lagging. When user tapping on any button in the app, it responds immediately. Lastly, the software is also play well without any lagging. C. Impact. The impact of this app is that it can be useful for teachers and students who need to learn more. For example, teachers can give an activity by the question in the app. Other than that, user can add friends in the app, so the teacher can invite their student to do the activities in the app. Furthermore, the apps can be used all around the world because it has all the language for the user. So, user can learn any language that they prefer.
So here it is the screenshots of the design interface in Android Studio and AVD with functional descriptions. Step 1. User choose any language that they prefer to learn at main page. User can choose from the 4 buttons to choose the language they wish to learn. For example, user click on Bahasa Melayu to go to Bahasa Melayu pages. If user choose to click on Bahasa Inggris, they will go to the Bahasa Inggris pages. Also the same for Bahasa Cina, and to look for more languages, user can click on more for other languages. The second page, in Bahasa Melayu page, user can turn on notification if they want to be reminded of their daily exercise and activity. User need to click on Mula to start the lessons. Under the lessons, user will be redirected to the activity page, which user can choose either to train themselves in kosakata or peribahasa. If user choose to learn or do the kosakata activity, user will be given instruction and choice for the question answer the question. User can choose to either back to previous page or submit the activity. The same goes for the peribahasa, where the users will be given the instruction and answer the question accordingly. Conclusion. In conclusion, Duolingo emerges as a highly user-friendly language learning platform, seamlessly guiding newcomers through its initial setup process and offering a streamlined interface for ongoing usage. It is intuitive design marked by clear navigation and easily recognizable icons, ensures accessibility for users of all levels. Furthermore, its efficient operation, characterized by a small storage footprint, swift loading items, swift loading times, and responsive functionality, contributes to a smooth user experience. In addition, from the Duolingo's app impact, it becomes evident that the user interface designed with Android Studio, beyond its usability, Duolingo holds significant educational value, serving as a valuable resource for both teachers and students alike. Teachers can leverage its interactive features to create engaging activities and facilitate language learning in the classroom, while the students benefit from the platform's comprehensive language offerings and the ability to connect with peers for collaborative learning. With its global reach and diverse language options, Duolingo stands as a versatile tool for individuals seeking to expand their linguistic proficiency regardless of geographical location or educational background. Overall, Duolingo's user-friendly interface, efficient performance, and educational impact position it as a leading platform in the field of language learning. That's all from us. Thank you.